प्रोग्राम दूर देश के लोग से एम शारिक सईद का सलाम। हम आपके लिए पेश करते हैं कैपिटल सियोल हो, पोर्ट ऑफ सिटी बुसान हो या इंचन या फिर साउथ कोरिया का कोई भी सनती शहर डेगू सिटी हो, डेजोंग सिटी हो या फिर अंसान इंडस्ट्रियल सिटी या फिर साउथ कोरिया का कोई भी शहर। सियासी, गैर सियासी, न्यूज़, व्यूज़, इंटरव्यूज़, इसके साथ साथ एजुकेशनल प्रोग्राम, शोबिज़, स्पोर्ट्स, ट्रेड एंड बिजनेस इंफॉर्मेशन के साथ साथ साउथ कोरिया में मुकीम पाकिस्तानी तुलबा व तालिबात और साउथ कोरिया में इंडस्ट्री से जुड़े पाकिस्तानी वर्कर्स के बारे में मालूमात, साउथ कोरिया से जुड़ी खबरें जो आप देखना, सुनना और जानना चाहते हैं, सिर्फ OPTV ग्लोबल पर।
धुंध छाई हुई है चारों तरफ, ये देखिए बहुत ही खूबसूरत मंजर है और हर तरफ आप देखें धुंध है। ये
हम आपको विज़िट के हवाले से बता रहे हैं कोरिया के मुख्तलिफ शहर। और ये मेरे पीछे जो आप देख रहे हैं ये नक्तुंगदांग रिवर है, कोरिया का लार्जेस्ट रिवर है और ये तकरीबन 520 किलोमीटर बहता है पूरे साउथ कोरिया के अंदर। नक्तुंगदांग रिवर, इसका बेहतरीन खूबसूरत मंजर आप देख रहे हैं। इसके अलावा हम आपको इसके साथ जो एक हिस्ट्री है 600 साल तकरीबन पुरानी एकेडमी, प्राइवेट एकेडमी, यूनिवर्सिटी आप उस वक्त ही कह सकते हैं, उसका भी विजिट कराएंगे हम आपको। और ये देखें कितना खूबसूरत व्यू है नक्तुंगदांग रिवर का, ये देखिए ये बेहतरीन व्यू है। और इसके अलावा आप ये देखें रिवर के साथ साथ ये ग्रीन, ये देखिए ये बेहतरीन खूबसूरत ये व्यूज़ है, ये देखिए आप, ये क्वाइट और बेहतरीन है। और इसके साथ ये यूनिवर्सिटी है, एकेडमी, प्राइवेट एकेडमी, ये देखिए कितनी खूबसूरत व्यू के साथ पुरानी एकेडमी है।
This place is called Dosan Sawan. Dosan Sawan, which was the local private university in ancient time, and especially in 16th century. 16th century, built by Yi Huang, Mr. Yi Huang, who was a politician and scholar at the time, and we can see the Mr. Li Huang in Korean bills as well, 1,001, and he made it for making a lot of students. And at the time there was a class system in person, so there were servants, common people, middle class people, and noblemen. So as you know, many servants and common people are suffer from the living, so they had to work hard, so they have no time to study in this area. So actually this area was only for noblemen or middle class people actually.
So this is a capital the long time ago in South Korea, capital this area.
No.
Nearest this area.
This is just a large city.
Large city. And near is the largest river.
Largest river named Nakdong River.
Is 520 kilometers run.
Yeah, around. Yeah.
Okay, Hangang is number 2. Is Nakdong River is number 1 in South Korea.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So people thinking sometimes you say Hangang is the biggest. No.
Yeah.
This is Nakdong is number 1.
Yeah.
In South Korea river.
Right.
Right? And Hangang is number 2.
Yeah.
And you have more information about this city?
This city, the Andong city. Yeah, the Andong city. There are so many people in Andong city. Around 15 million people. 15 million people lived in Andong city, and many people know the most popular food in the Andong area named Jimdak. Jimdak is really popular in this area, and there are so many chain restaurants about Jimdak in Seoul as well, Bongchu Jimdak, Anju Jimdak, and so on. And this place is really popular for the food, the chicken.
Oh really?
Yeah.
So around South Korea people is know well this place?
No.
Visiting here, Korean Hangusaram?
Yeah.
Is the Seoul city, Busan, Daegu, Jeonju coming in here?
Yeah, right.
Holidays?
Yeah, actually, many foreigners know Nami Island much more. Nami Island is much more popular for foreigners, but you know, many Koreans didn't go to Nami Island. Even me. I visited Nami Island for the first time since I've been a tourist guide, but I've been here twice time in my life long. So this area is real tourist attraction in Korea as well.
So Korean people respect this area.
Yeah, really respect. Right, exactly. We really respect this area, Andong Hawaii Village and Dosan Sawan as well. And this Dosan Sawan was designated UNESCO's heritage last year as well. 15 million people.
50 million
Yeah.
people. It's not foreigners living in here. Majority living is Koreans. And I see around is many apple farm.
Yeah.
Please you explain about this farm.
Yeah, this area is really popular for ginseng, and not only ginseng but also apple as well. And in Korea, we can eat the best delicious apple in autumn. Autumn apple is really expensive and really delicious, and especially in this area. So you can see many apples in Seoul as well, and many of them came from here. Yeah.
You know? And suppose foreigners visit in South Korea for tourism, come in here must be.
Yeah.
You see, is this city really very important history in about South Korea.
Yeah, so if you have any chance to come to Korea, I strongly recommend to visit here.
Yeah, all foreigners around the world, so must be visit Andong City.
Yeah, Andong City.
Andong City.
Yeah.
Not long distance from Seoul capital. How long? Maybe I think 2.5 hours.
Yeah, only 2.5 hours.
So no long
Yeah,
distance.
not far from.
And very nice, weather is very good, quiet area,
Yeah.
no pollution.
Yeah, right.
And second, the largest South Korea river.
Yeah, and there
Right.
is no traffic accident as well.
Oh,
Really silent place.
So I think it's some people's born in here. He's no move left and other city.
Yeah.
So he's living in here. More
Yeah.
than 50, 100 years he's still living here.
Yeah.
Huh? Right?
Yeah, right.
Many different cities. People living in Gwangju, Cheonju, and everybody try the big city, Busan and Seoul. Majority move.
Yeah.
And they say 우리 고향 전라도요,
Yeah.
우리 고향 대구, 우리 고향 other city, Busan, Gimhae. But I feeling in here really very nice, peaceful.
Yeah, peaceful.
Area.
Yeah.
So thank you for your good information about this. What's saying this name is how just saying the people name, the Korean people
Korean people?
name this area.
도산 서원.
Dusan Sawan. The what's saying the English? Okay, just translation. Simply, just no.
Simply the local private university of Dosan.
Aha.
Yeah,
Local.
yeah.
Very important.
Yeah, very important.
Very local
Private university.
Not say the academy.
Yeah,
Local
academy.
Yeah, it's similar,
Yeah.
right? So this is the first academy.
No, not the first ones.
No, first one,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Is more is other cities
Yeah.
are old more.
Yeah, right.
Right, you're not it.
Year?
This foundation, this university, this academy foundation.
Foundation.
Nalcha.
Nalcha?
Onje, this.
Maybe 16th century.
Yeah, 16th century. 16th century means more than 500.
Yeah.
More than 500 years old. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Really, you good information.
Thank you very much.
इंटरनेशनल फॉरेनर्स हमारे विजिटर्स आए हैं टूरिस्ट और इसमें रोमानिया है बेलग्रेड है डिफरेंट कनाडा है अमेरिकन है सेंट्रल एशिया उज्बेकिस्तान है पाकिस्तान है नेपाल उसके अलावा डिफरेंट कंट्रीज के तो आई एम रियली वेरी हैप्पी सो मल्टी नेशन मल्टी कल्चर कम्स इन हियर सो प्लीज इंट्रोडक्शन हाउ अबाउट योर ओपिनियन दिस इवेंट
It's a nice event. I like it.
You like, right? And as you using the Korean dress, traditional dress.
Yes.
So you easy feeling, right?
I feel very warm.
Very well. So everybody is happy, right?
It's very amazing Korea. I love to come here and to wear the traditional dresses and eat the traditional food. We really thank GBA for this opportunity and to all people who participate with us.
So just you're not coming here before you visit, museum and one big company in South Korea, Ginseng Company. Not only museum.
But here we are really in history, really.
She is really very intelligent from Romania. She is a researcher.
Andong is a city proud of its deep-rooted traditions. It has carefully preserved its cultural and historical heritage, including the noble culture of the Yangban, who is the ruling class in Joseon Dynasty, the folk culture of commoners, and the vestiges of Confucian culture. Especially the Confucianism provided the basis of state governance and social ethics during the Joseon Dynasty, and still remains influential to this day. The Confucian values, the root of Korean moral system, can be experienced while exploring the city of Andong. The Andong Hawae Maul located in Andong City in Gyeongsang-Bukdo Province. And the village people tried to preserve their traditions for more than 600 years. So it is regarded most well-preserved tradition folk village in Korea. So it was designated UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2010. Hawae Village and its remarkable landscape is a hometown to the Pungsan Ryu clan. The name of the village literally means the Hawae, the village enveloped by water. The Nakdonggang River gently hugs the Hawae village in the shape of an S. Inhabited by generation of the...
Oh, this is your house?
It's my house.
Nice. So light is no problem?
No, actually, our problem is water.
Okay, good.
Current water.
So how long do you live in here?
10 years.
Just only 10 years. Great.
The Ryu family for more than 600 years, and the area filled with the traces of Confucian traditions and folk culture and architecture. So there are so many the Korean tradition house Hano. For example, Yeomhaengdang, Yanghodang, Hwagyongdang, Yangjindang, Chungyodang. And very beautiful attractions, Mangeonsongjong Forest and Cliff Buyongdae. And nearby the Andong Hawae village, there is the Confucianism Academy, Pyeongsan Sewon. And in center of the village, there is a very big and beautiful Jelkoba tree. This is the 600 years old Jelkoba tree located in the center of Hawae village. The tree is the residence of goddess called Samshin, who is in charge of pregnancy and childbirth. And in this place, the many talented people have been produced from the past to the present. From the past, high-ranking official Ryu Seung-yong in Joseon Dynasty, and to the present, famous Korean actor and singer Ryu Si-won. And then in 1999, the Queen Elizabeth in UK, she visited the Hawae village and have her 73rd birthday party. In 2005, the U.S. The President George Bush also visited. And then there are many the traditions, events, and entertainment in the Andong Hawae village. For example, the Hawae 별신구 탈놀이 is the ritual and mask play passed down to Hawae village in Andong from the Goryeo dynasty. And it was held for the peace of the village and the good harvest. Hawae 별신구 탈놀이 is known to the oldest existing mask play in Korea. In addition, it contains contents criticizing noble class people Yangban and monk, who were corrupt during the Joseon dynasty. It was a voice of the common people. The mask play consists of 8 contents, and the characters include brides, monk, and noble Yangban and scholars, butchers, and grandmother. And the contents include the ridicule of the pagan and the bitter satire and the humor about the Yangban. The music of 탈놀이 is performed by 풍물꾼 with a Korean percussion instrument. So this Hawae mask made of the old tree has 11 characters left and is designated as the national treasure in Korea.
Beşi, what time you in here? Ne? Your job, what time so what?
Şovun kaçta başlıyor diyor. Okay. Okay, hadi gel. 5 minutes later.
5 minutes later. Not before 600 years?
Okay. That time? Sorry.
नाज़रीन इकराम, साउथ कोरिया के हम बहुत ही खूबसूरत एक विलेज से बात कर रहे हैं और आज का और कल यस्टरडे के ये 2 दिन पे विज़िट था हमारा साउथ कोरिया के खूबसूरत विलेज के अंदर, जिसकी एक हिस्ट्री थी और उसके अलावा एक हमने बहुत बड़ी जिनसिंग कंपनी का विज़िट किया और ये सब जो चीज़ें अरेंज की थी ये साउथ कोरिया में हम इससे पहले इस पर 1-2 प्रोग्राम कर चुके हैं GBA के नाम से। GBA एक बहुत ही ऑर्गेनाइज ग्रुप है जिसको आप कह सकते हैं ग्लोबल बिजनेस अलायंस, और इसके सरपरस्त कह लें, प्रेसिडेंट कह लें, मेरे साथ इस टाइम मौजूद हैं और आपने उनको पहले भी सुना है। तुर्की से इनका ताल्लुक़ है लेकिन इनकी मोहब्बत साउथ कोरिया के लिए माशाल्लाह और काम नॉट सिर्फ ओनली टर्किश पीपल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड यानी ग्लोबल, यानी कि जितनी भी फॉरेनर्स कम्युनिटी साउथ कोरिया में रहती है उसके लिए बेहतर से बेहतर काम करते रहते हैं, वर्क करते रहते हैं। तो इन्होंने साउथ कोरिया के अंदर लास्ट ईयर यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कायम की GBA के नाम से, ग्लोबल बिजनेस अलायंस। ग्लोबल बिजनेस अलायंस जस्ट सिर्फ बिजनेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ही नहीं एक दूसरे के कोरियन और फाउंडर्स के रिलेशन कराता है, आपस में पैचअप कराता है, बल्कि टूरिज़म है उसके अंदर इंट्रोड्यूस है, न्यू जनरेशन जो स्टडी कर रहे हैं फाउंडर्स साउथ कोरिया में यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में और वो ट्रेड में आना चाहते हैं तो उनको भी कोच करता है। तो मेरे साथ मिस्टर सिनान मौजूद हैं। Mr. Sinan, thank you.
Thank
Number
you.
one.
Welcome again. Yes.
Second, third time I talk with you.
Yes.
Global TV, you know OPTV Global.
I know
Before you
very
talking,
well. Yes.
so sir, 2 days yesterday I'm come with you and visit very nice village before 600 years history in South Korea and one ginseng big company and showing the culture. So sir, you arranged this program. You planned in the future same program in the future after 2 months, 3 months, once more.
Again, thank you so much for coming and also joining this beautiful tour with us. Korea has beautiful land actually, 51 million population, but most of the foreigners only know about Seoul, but we have also another beautiful cities. So our association, Global Business Alliance, GBA, we started last year, and we have around 600 members in our association. Half of them foreigners and half of them Korean business people. So our target of GBA, we have huge number of foreign business people in GBA. So I want to introduce them real Korean history and some historical places, because personally, individually, they don't have chance to visit everywhere because expensive and also they need guides, so it takes some time. So with GBA, under the name of GBA, we are arranging this kind of meeting and also tour every 2 months. And maybe 5 or 6 times a year, our members of GBA, like 50, 60, sometimes for example 100 GBA members, foreigners, as you mentioned, from different countries. Now we have 74 different countries members. So these members, we will visit the other cities. First, our target is make our members foreign CEOs, foreign business people, make a nice connection, nice networking, getting more close. At the same time, visit another city, the Korean beautiful city, and learn more about Korean culture.
Good, good. So, sir, you have planned in the future after 2 to 3 months a new place, right? And Korean Culture Organization is a visit to your organization, Global Business Guest, the freelance, and just you.
Yes, very good question. All the cities of Korea, they want to promote, they want to introduce their city to overseas people. So we have a nice community in GBA. So our members, when they visit this city, they take photo and video like you. They do beautiful things and they spread it, they show it to their countries. So huge number of million people, foreigners, getting learn about Korea and Korean culture.
good,
So
good.
that's why all the city in Korea, they want to promote. They say, okay, please, Mr. Sinan, arrange your group. You have beautiful people, business people. Just we will invite them to our city. We will do all the expenses. We will take care of all the expenses. Your food, your everything will support you. Just only one thing, please come and take many photo and introduce and make marketing, like promoting our city to your countries.
Oh, you mean this Korean organization say to you, Korea Tourism Organization,
Yes.
different province and different cities,
Yes, yes.
right? And sir, my second question to you, this is a culture and you showing the good views in South Korea. So you contact the parliamentarian in South Korea about foreigners, businessmen in the future planning for business promote in here foreigners.
Yes, we have 3 million foreign population in Korea, 51 million Korean and 3 million foreigners. In the National Assembly, foreigners' statues are getting more important day by day, because right now we don't have any parliament. We don't have any chair in the Assembly of National in Korea. So also this is another issue. Maybe near future, at least maybe 3 or 4 foreigners will be maybe in the Majlis, in the National Assembly to represent all foreign society in Korea.
Good, good.
Yeah.
Thank you once more, Mr. Sinan. You talk OPTV Global. Thank you, sir, once more.
Thank you so much. And I also send my big regards to Pakistan and to also USA. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Okay.
OPTV की फखरिया पेशकश दुनिया भर में आबाद पाकिस्तानियों की तरक्की और कामरानी पर मबनी प्रोग्राम पाकिस्तान को तरक्की की राह पर गामजन करने के लिए दुनिया भर में पाकिस्तानी मुतहर्रिक और तैयार। दुनिया भर के मुल्कों में पाकिस्तानी का उनकी तरक्की में हिस्सा देखिए। बैनुल अक़वामी मंजर में पाकिस्तानियों का समाजी, सियासी, तिजारती और मजहबी उमूर में भरपूर किरदार।